Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Propwire account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, what are the Propwire free and paid plan pricing? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, but I'm going to go over a few key points you need to consider if you're thinking about having just the free plan, or if you want to upgrade and have a paid plan. But why would you want to sign up for Propwire anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business doing wholesaling, you know that Propwire is a popular way to get in touch with various sellers. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process to look this up. And rather than just letting you know the price, I'm going to show you how you can find it because the prices could change at any time. First, you want to go to your Propwire account and sign in. I've already signed in. So this is a free test account. So if you don't already have a Propwire account, check my video description. I'll try to leave my referral link there. I would recommend you at least sign up for the free account. There's no cost and you don't need to use your credit card. And that way, if you're getting started, you can actually just look up any property that you're curious about. Maybe if you're driving for dollars and you see a rundown property, you can use the free account to pull up the property owner's name. So the difference between the free and paid plan, what you want to do is click up here on the top right, upgrade to gold. If you don't see that button for some reason, just click on your profile icon here on the top right. Once you do that, you're going to see this pop up and you want to click here on this button, upgrade. Either way, it's going to take you to the same place. Okay, so next this page is going to open up. So you can actually watch this video from Jerry Norton. So he's one of the co-owners and he describes what the difference is between the free and the paid plans. However, if you scroll down a little bit, it goes over the different benefits. So normally if you are going to be skip tracing, basically looking for the email and phone number to the owner of the property, it runs about 10 cents per property that you're going to be searching. However, if you sign up for the gold or the paid plan, you get 2,500 free skip traces that are already included. So if you were to pay for this separate, that would work out to about $250 to skip trace 2,500 properties. So for this particular plan, it's $97 per month. So if you click here on add to cart, here they're going to show you the price. So you can see it's $97 per month. And then it also lets you know the benefits that you're going to get. So you get the data and analytics. So this is already available on the free plan, but you also get 2,500 free skip traces per month. Also, this one's pretty cool, especially if you're just getting started doing wholesaling. So they have weekly calls with a real estate expert. So basically you can just hop on the call. They're going to talk about whatever the program is for that week. And then afterwards they open up the line so that way you can ask questions about a specific deal or a specific marketing type or a specific property type. So that's kind of important, especially if you need to bounce an idea off or bounce a deal off someone who is a little bit more experienced. Also, this one's pretty cool as well. You also get access to their library. So one of the most common questions I get is, how do you get a wholesale contract? So inside of this gold membership, you get access to their contracts, but also you get access to phone scripts, marketing templates, step-by-step guides, just a lot of different things that you might need if you are a newer wholesaler, or even if you're an experienced one, especially if you're going to be working in different states. So that's the basic difference between the free plan and the paid plan. Also, a lot of people ask me if they should sign up for Propwire or one of the other data providers. So I signed up for Propwire and also PropStream. And then anytime that I'm doing research on a property, they both have different data. So that way I can kind of compare them. Also, Propwire has some data that PropStream does not have. And then PropStream vice versa has some data that Propwire doesn't have. So as you start building up deals, you might want to go ahead and sign up for both of them. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering what the difference is between the free plans and the paid plans for Propwire, that's the easiest way I know how to look it up. If you happen to be watching this video in the future and your price has changed, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.